We are at Busch Gardens for the first time in 20 years. It's been a long dang time. The kids who are with us today and happy to be here are, they haven't been in so long they barely remember it. In all honesty, me too. Busch Gardens stores. Oh, they've got Busch Gardens pins even. Oh look, fun, Sesame Street pins. Rhino you are, but what am I? Ah, that's funny. That's funny stuff. No, I'm not kidding. And we walk right out here, there should be a big alligator pit, and right around is a big gorilla pit. And they fight. Not really, but now that I mentioned it, I want to see a big gorilla alligator fight. We have got to come for Halloween Scream sometime. We're gonna go to Zagora Cafe and have some lunch, and we'll check out. What were we saying? I remember that, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a broken roller coaster now. They don't use it anymore. It's just sitting there. Which sucks because I love wooden roller coasters. That used to be the Guanza. Oh, look at this peacocking thing over here. You got peacocks running around in the yard.
Their faces don't look like that.
These guys smell like food. Is anybody else thinking this music kind of rocks? I'm not gonna lie to you, sometimes I see the kid rides and go, yeah, I wouldn't mind doing that. No, this isn't relevant at all, is it, kids? Let's go interact with the birds. Y'all want to feed the birds? It's only tuppence a bag. Tuppence a bag. What do we have here? Blue-throated macaw. Well, hello. Oh, I missed it. Oh. Did you saw that though, right, Elizabeth? Now, if that one lands on me, I'll freak out. No, that little one was cute. And this is the blue-streaked lorry. Say again? That's a cute one. Look at the way he's bouncing. It's a cockatoo. Palm cockatoo. That is cool. Cool. We can wait for the train right here. We know it's gonna be here in 5 minutes. We want to watch it. And then we can go play. And this is the one that does the 90-degree drop, but we did that on Mako, so you've done this before. Here it goes. It used to stop you right on the edge before it let you go. Nope, doesn't. Oh, yes, it does. Let's contemplate your fate. See ya. And then it's gone over there somewhere. Oh, there it is. It'll go up there. And then another 90-degree drop. That's new. And this is where they're about to spray us. Here it goes. Oh! Managed to avoid it. I've chickened out. I chickened out. I got to do that again. I want to do that right, not so. Well, we're on the edge. If we're on the edge, we're okay. Hey, Gailey, it's really cool over here. No? Woo! This is part 1 of our Busch Gardens trip, and in all honesty, this whole Busch Gardens thing feels more like home movies rather than something I would do for YouTube. I still hope you enjoy it. The reason why, I don't know, you may remember in the beginning, we walked through Sesame Street, and Elma's like, oh, you mean I could change my feelings? We had a big blowout. We had a family blowout, and not everybody was happy with everybody else at that point. And it was kind of funny because it didn't take long for us to, get over it and start enjoying the day and everything like that. But it kind of tainted the beginning of it. So I figured, okay, I'm just going to film. I'm not going to be like, hey, do this, or hey, or anything like that, not be intrusive. But so, it could kind of relax everybody. That's why it kind of feels more like home movie-ish. But yeah, we love this park, and we had a good time, and there is more to come.
Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls.